So today we're at the Ship Inn in Barry, and so we've just ordered. Have a look at the menu and we'll show you what we've ordered. So I've gone for half a roast chicken with corn on the cob, sweet potato fries and Korean barbecue sauce. This looks good, and all that for $12.49. Absolute bargain. They also got their specialist days, so like on a Monday kids eat for £1, and they do a grill Monday, mix it up Tuesday, curry and a drink on a Wednesday, 2 courses on Thursday. Had a starter or selected pudding with any super special for only £1 extra. Buy one get one free Friday, and Super Saturday enjoy any of our super specials for just £11, and then Sunday roast and a drink for £11 on a Sunday. That's not bad at all. It's really good value. Are they still, I believe they're still part of the Hungry Horse, aren't they? Yeah, part of Hungry Horse. There you go, down at the bottom. And I'll bring you back when the food arrives. So the food's just arrived and it looks absolutely fantastic. Have a look at this. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Now what I would say, this chicken looks a bit small, I would say. You've got your chicken breast. It comes on a bed of peppers and onions. And then you've got your chicken leg, which looks small to be fair. But for £12, not gonna knock it. And then you've got your sweet potato fries. Now I love a sweet potato fry. Let's get a mouthful of that first. That's lovely and crunchy, really sweet. Get in that barbecue sauce. Oh, that barbecue sauce is a bit weird. Yeah, sweet potato fries, lovely and crispy, really sweet, really good. A barbecue sauce though, when it's been in the fridge and it's not come to room temperature, which I don't like when you have hot food, but there's a weird taste to that. Taste that barbecue sauce, see what you think. There's a weird taste and I can't put my finger on it.
Teriyaki in it.
Do you think that's what it is? So Zoe thinks it's teriyaki. Right, let's get into this chicken. Let's try to start with the breast. Looks lovely and juicy. It's lovely and hot. It's soft. It's juicy as well. Really nice. The skin could be being a bit crispier. Let's see if we can give you a look inside that. That's not bad. Needs a bit of seasoning as well, a bit of salt, bit of pepper. try that now. That's lovely. Very good. Try this leg. Now this leg, if we move that up here, again feels very juicy. Again, the skin needs crisping up. It's boiling hot. That's a lovely chicken. Shame about the skin. Shame it's not been seasoned. And how small it is, but it's lovely and juicy. Can't fault the cooking on it. Take the bone out. That Korean barbecue sauce has put me off. Not put me off, but it's throwing my taste buds off. So I'll add a bit of mayo instead. I'll dip one of these fries in it. Now the corn on the cob. I love a good corn. Let's give that a go. Get a mouthful of that. That's lovely. That's so sweet. That's a good corn on the cob. Right. I'm in the air stuck into this. For £12.49, this is an absolute bargain, I think. There was a few different choices. Zoe went for the gammon. I went for the half roast chicken. They had chicken skewers on there. It was a good selection, to be fair. Right. I'm going to finish eating this. You'd want to see me eat this off the bone. So join me in a bit and we'll give my review. Well, as you can see, I finished that off. It was absolutely delicious. What did I think? I thought it was good value. Even though the chicken was small, I thought it was very good value. For £12.50, it wasn't bad. The sauce wasn't great though, I will say that. There was about 5 or 8 sauces you could have chosen from. So I'd probably go with something a bit different. So we had the Caribbean sauce, which was better. It still wasn't great, but it was better. The chicken was really juicy, really succulent, and was lovely. Couldn't fault it. It needed to be a bit crispy for the skin, ideally, but there was nothing wrong with it. The sweet potato fries were lovely. They were crispy. They were hot. Everything came hot. I can't fault that. Everything was hot. But yeah, they were crispy and fluffy inside, and the corn on the cob was fantastic. It was really sweet, it was fresh, but it was really good, the sweet corn. So overall, I give it an 8 out of 10, I think. If the chicken was a little bit bigger, I'm full though, I have to say, I am absolutely stuffed, so did it need to be bigger? Probably not, but I'd like it to be a bit bigger. So yeah, an 8 out of 10, the sauce wasn't great. And it just needs to be a bit bigger. Hope you enjoyed that review. Where do you want me to go next? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.